chop the ingredients. So today we're going to see how to make OPOS Bhindi Sabzi.
Bhindi Sabzi, yeah. Hello guys, Liba is with me and she's going to try this recipe from cutting to cooking. Okay, so let's start, Liba.
Yes, so
First, first let's weigh the onion and this. Yeah. Let's switch on. Switch it on. Okay. So how much is this?
So it's around 100 grams.
Yes. And the next.
So the next one is going to be some okras.
Keep coming.
So around
200 grams. Yeah.
Yes, good. Now
Let me remove this.
So now let me just start. And so now I'm just going to...
Yeah. You have to do everything under the camera, right? Put the waste here, okay? No hurry, take your own time.
Okay.
No, let me show you like this. Like this, take from it. Do. You can peel it faster.
Yes, it's a little hard for me for peeling onions. It's always getting a little hard to peel.
Okay, so yeah, now start. Please start.
Peel all of it.
You can remove this outer peel. It has that black.
What's this? Blackness. So if you see like this, you can wash it or also remove the peels.
Yeah. Baby, you have to do like this. See? Okay, like this. Just remove this peel, huh? Do it.
This. Okay. It's more easier when I do it with my hands. I feel it.
Yeah,
I'm used to that.
it's around 2 minutes.
This is
Quick.
yeah. So now I'm going to
Wait. Do. Good. Very nice. Superb. Right. Yeah, that is okay. Just bring it on the camera. Good.
So now this is good, right?
Yeah, this is okay. Now the other half.
Is it okay when it gets fatter?
Yeah, it's okay. You are just starting, right?
Yes.
It gets better if you do it often. Superb. Cool. Yeah, nice.
This
Okay.
is good, right?
Yeah, so now
I'm
add
going
some
to
oil.
add some, 1 tablespoon of oil.
Yeah.
No,
Little.
more, it's okay.
No, not. Yeah, okay. So, yeah, just
So now some
add the onion. The layering you should be,
touching the onions should be touching the base.
yeah, faster.
That's good.
Yeah, okay. Carry on with the
Okras.
cross, yeah. So onions just to cover the base. Okay, enough. Yeah. Start chopping. Not too thin and not too thick, okay? Medium choice. Good. Careful. Bring this side, Liba. Very good. If you find any black spots, we have to remove that, okay?
Yes. And wash it.
Chop this once again. Superb. And this one. Okay, now transfer this to the pot.
It's on top of the onions.
Good.
It's hard.
Yeah, be faster. Cool. Now go to the next other half. Come on. Okay. Careful. Slowly. No hurry, no hurry. Slowly. Superb. Cool. Yeah, now transfer those to the pot.
Oh no, it's already 5 minutes.
It's okay, it's okay.
So in how much minutes we have to make this recipe?
That's okay for the first time. Okay,
Yes.
now add this
Salt.
salt. Close it.
Okay, so
You have to do. Switch on.
switch on.
Yeah, this is our standard high heat.
Yeah.
So you have to clean this. Remove the board, remove the plate, just wipe the counter. Okay. And remove this salt. Okay, fine. Now let's move this to the middle.
So now I'm going to explain the recipe.
Okay.
Yeah.
So yeah, let's switch on the timer just to check how long it takes to cook. Yeah, so now you go through the recipe. Are you okay after cutting?
Yes.
Okay.
It was a little hard to cut very fast.
Yeah, but you have to practice.
Yes. So the recipe is OPOS Bhindi Sabzi,
Bhindi Sabzi, yeah.
which is okra or lady's finger dry curry. In 2-liter pressure baker, just layer 1 tablespoon of oil. So you could use any oil as you wish. It's your choice, and we are using some coconut oil.
Yeah.
And then 1 cup chopped onion and 200 grams of chopped bhindi,
Bhindi or ladies
bhindi or okra or lady's finger. Yeah, all of the same meanings. And then half teaspoon salt. And then we're going to cook on high for 2 whistles or 4 minutes and release the pressure. Mix all and serve. So this is our OPOS Bhindi Sabzi.
Bhindi Sabzi.
So
Okay.
this, I'm going to have it as a meal for suhoor.
Okay, so why are we going for 2 whistles here?
So everything will get cooked.
Cooked, yeah. And one more main point. Can you tell me that? What is the layer 2? What you have layered after oil?
Oh, onion.
Onions.
So
Yeah.
it should not
No.
it will get well caramelized.
Yes, that is the reason we have to go for 2 whistles. If you use caramelized onion, you can cook for just 1 whistle.
Yeah.
Okay. Since we have used the onions as a base layer, we are going for 2 whistles here.
Yep. Oh no, the time is going to finish.
No issues. It's just around 9 minutes. Okay, you did well.
It actually took long in the cutting.
That is okay. Your first.
Record, I did by myself.
Yes.
So mom was here to guide me.
So we are getting a very nice fried smell.
Yeah, of the okras.
So let's get the spatula and the bowl ready. So check the timing, Liba.
Oh yeah, the timing is around 9 minutes and 80
No,
seconds.
cooking time.
Oh, it's 2 minutes and 39 seconds.
Yeah.
The first whistle is about to arrive.
No, slowly. First whistle. Now
waiting
charred
for
smell is there.
Yeah.
Is okay. So you have to release the pressure. Okay.
So I'm just going to take a spoon and get prepared. The second whistle is about to arrive.
Wait. Let's give some time. Push off. Push it off. Now release it. Cool. Can you sense some?
Yes, a very nice aroma.
Yeah,
Fried.
charred. Fried
Yeah,
or
fried.
charred smell. Okay. Okay. So now you have to release the. You have to open the lid.
So this is okay, right?
Yes. Can you open? So you first remove the. No, wait. Pull it off. Yeah. Now try to open the lid. Slowly. Yes. That is how you need to open the lid. Very good. Okay.
Okay. Look at the okras.
How is it?
It's fried well.
Now, how is the color?
Yeah, the color is bright green.
Yep. Now mix and check if there is any burning. Yeah, it's very nicely fried onions. Mix it nicely because we have added the salt on the top layer.
Yeah.
Mix it well. You have to mix it well.
You know, some of the onions are stuck in the mix.
No, that is fine. Okay, just mix it well. Wait. We can just remove this charred bits. Okay, we don't want this to get mixed up. Mix it. You can increase the oil. Okay.
Yes.
You can also increase the oil to 2 to 3 tablespoons, and you can drain them
Yes,
later.
and no oil is remaining, as you can see.
Mix this side. Yeah, quickly. The timer is running. Yeah, just serve this. Yep, enough. Switch off the timer. Done.
Yeah, it took me 12
Minutes. That is fine.
So,
Okay.
So
So
how many
this
minutes it was?
this is fine. No, this is okay. Okay. So this is Liba's
OPOS Bhindi.
Bhindi. What is Bhindi?
Bhindi.
Bhindi Sabzi. Bhindi stir fry. Okay.
So it's also a dry curry. So I hope you like my recipe. So next time I will come up with another recipe. See you next time. Bye.
Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Bye bye.